Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm just kidding. I can't be that guy. So here's what I've done. I went to my other YouTube page, NA2NSX, which nobody watches, and I downloaded all the videos and put them on this page. So before you go any further, go ahead and hit like, thumbs up, hit subscribe, and the little bell icon so that every time I upload a video, I'll feel loved because you'll come and watch. So what do we have? We have all my NSX videos, really short clips. So it's like TikTok NSX stuff before TikTok ever came around. Anyway, you want to hear what the car sounded like with the original exhaust? Well, when I bought it, the Titech GTLW, want to hear what it sounded like when I was just flooring it, pre-turbo? All that stuff is in this video.
where the trust stop. New work, top drop. I roll up every 15 minutes like a bus stop. And you can smell just how I'm smoking when I burn out. And you can catch me riding dirty, but my car not. It's love and loyalty into my heart lot. Never turn your back, won't know how it turned out. I said it once, I do it again. I'm playing the game, I do it to win. With you and your friend that's thinking thin. It's me and my team, you know we gon' win. You know we gon' ball, you know we gon' rise till the wheels fall off. You know we gon' stick to the goal, we can think about y'all. I feel like the sky is falling down. Ain't nobody here to play around. Push it to the edge, I won't back down. Cause it's time to go hard and go home. One way up, no way out. I give it all for the family. We stay up, no bailouts. Give it all for the family. Hey, hey, for the family. Hey, hey, all for the family. Family, family, family.
Am I winning? Why would I go hard for? Swinging on the green like I'm trying to get a paw for. You ain't sitting at my table, hope you starve. Hold on, be pushing my buttons as you starting on my car. Pressure make it diamond, that pressure make me a star. Got a method to my madness to bring me down by the bar. People always asking me how I got this far. My response is just to keep it honest and be who you are. Now they call me Mrs. Money, I got married to the moolah. Just to measure my success, I need at least 100 rulers. Glory, hallelujah, I'ma take that as a church. I'ma finish like I started it, you still got that work.
I feel like the sky is falling down. Ain't nobody here to play around. Push it to the edge, I won't back down. Cause it's time to go hard and go home. One way up, no way out. I give it all for the family. We stay up, no bailouts. Give it all for the family. Hey, hey, for the family. Hey, hey, all for the family. Family, family, family. I feel like the sky is falling down. Ain't nobody here to play around. Push it to the edge, I won't back down. Cause it's time to go hard and go home. One way up, no way out. I give it all for the family. We stay up, no bailouts. Give it all for the family. Hey, hey, for the family. Hey, hey, all for the family. Family, family, family.
Carter Kong's birthday, and so his father, best friend of mine, would like me to give Carter a ride. So we'll see if we can catch him on Owl. Ready for this? What do you think, slower or faster than your dad's car?
Faster.
Yeah. A little bit. This motherfucker is nuts. Oh, shit. The fictional MCU character Tony Stark said, "Part of the journey is the end." Well, I've had an amazing journey, more so than I could have ever imagined back when it was just a concept. Getting into SEMA 2017 was just the launching pad for many things to come. Then came Anime Expo, then super fans from around the world started reaching out. Some made versions of my car in video games, some painted their own at home. One company created hundreds to sell online with my name all over them. Harmony Gold, the company that brought Robotech to life back when I was a daydreaming teenager, loved my car, and they've been incredibly supportive of this effort and invited me to their studios. Never in a million years would I've ever dreamt of such an opportunity. I kept working on the car, finishing things I wasn't able to for SEMA. I kept working because I had a mission, from day one, to finish the build the way I had drawn it up in the concept, which seems like an eternity ago. Although many people never understood the wrap, the concept of it, any of that. That'll always be the case when you decide to break away from the mold and do something different. Everything I do is reversible, and that can be hard stuff to plan for and execute in the process. I've met so many incredible people because of this build from all over. I've had some opportunities I know I wouldn't have had I not decided to move forward with this project. Without all of this, there is no SEMA 2017. There is no Gears and Gasoline video. There is no 1/43rd scale resin version of my car sold to hundreds around the world. There is no Anime Expo. There is no random family walking up to me at gas stations and fast food places in the middle of a road trip recognizing my car from YouTube. I did it all for me. I did it all for those that not only understand what I was doing, but love the hundreds of hours of effort that I've put into it. I try to keep it tasteful and appealing to the super geek in all of us. Still keeping true to the car lover inside me, inside all of us, and the animation lover. To attempt to bridge that gap between two distinctly different groups of people in a completely unrelated fan bases. I've driven this car to San Francisco, Los Angeles, Las Vegas, Albuquerque, and as far east as Dallas-Fort Worth and back. Every mile producing more and more battle scars on the front of the wrap. You don't get to experience everything I have with this build, being just another cookie cutter street build. You don't flirt with becoming not only part of automotive culture, but also pop culture and nerd culture by being afraid to be different. I want to thank first and foremost Ceramic Pro Arizona, Ceramic Pro USA, Clarion USA, Michelin USA, Echelon Auto Wraps, Pride Carbon, Forge Line, Downforce USA, DressUpBolts.com, BC Racing North America, 80stees.com, Harmony Gold, Robotech, Sawbelt, Avery Dennison, Gears and Gasoline, Papago Dash Cameras, The Owl Cam, RevLimiter.net, WC Latheworks, We Don't Lift Racing, Decal Monkey, Science of Speed, Performance Audio Sound Magazine, NSX Driver Magazine, The NSX Shop, now Meter Motorsports, Lean Customs. Last but not least, all those who have supported this vision from day one, and those who reached out to me upon their discovery of this vehicle and have loved 100% of the effort unconditionally. There's a saying out there. Be the first to do it. Be the last to do it. Or be the best ever to do it. Everyone in between is often forgotten. I'm always going to be the VF1S NSX, with or without the wrap. My name is Jay Finning, and this is my 1997 Acura NSX. Okay, wow, that was pretty exciting. Again, comment below what you like the best. Should I stay turbo? Should I not stay turbo? It's just to generate comments. I really don't care what you say. Just don't say anything mean because I'll delete them. By the way, check out the podcast, Hard Parking Podcast. It's available pretty much anywhere you get your podcasts. I messed that up. It's available pretty much anywhere you get your podcasts. So hook a brother up. I can't grow unless you tell the world how great this channel and the podcast is. I gotta do the spin thing real quick.